Guys, how's it going? In today's video, I found a highly profitable POD niche that you can start selling using AI tools to make your own version of said niche. And the niche that's thriving right now is the silly goose niche. As you can see here, I put it on Google Trends worldwide. This search term in the last 12 months, as you can see, it's steadily rising. And actually, as we speak now in July, it's going even higher. So it's a very good niche. And just a simple search on Etsy for the silly goose term, people love this design. So we're going to make our own version using AI. And the tool we're going to use is called Playground AI. I like Playground because you can use pre-made templates of all types of designs, and then you can make your own version based on that template. So here's a foundation of a goose in the silly goose niche. And because I know silly goose sells so well, I went on ChatGPT and I said, I want to sell trending shirt designs in the niche of silly goose. Give me some sayings. So it gave me a few sayings, but I wanted something around fashion and looking pretty because that's what matches this. And then I stumbled upon number 5, silly goose in heels, right? So that's the niche we're going to use. So I told the AI to do that. And we have a niche here of a silly goose in heels. And what's cool about this design is I can easily export, upscale, and remove the background. And I actually already did that. And then we're going to use the most important tool to start selling it using the Printify.com website. You're going to want to sign up. It's for print on demand. Once you do that and have an account like me, like so, you're going to want to go over to settings and ensure that you connect to your Etsy account like so. Once it's done, you're going to want to go to catalog, t-shirt, select a t-shirt to sell. You're going to want to use Printify's top rated choice of t-shirts to design. It's going to look like this. You're then going to want to upload your design like I already did here. And then we have our design. I can easily start selling this. And what's cool for those of you who are new to Printify, when you have your design, you want to make sure it says high resolution. The max you want to have for DPI is up to 300 DPI, as you can see. Playground AI tool clicks to export, and it perfectly fits inside of Printify. If I press preview, it creates mockups that I could easily download and start selling. So you're going to want to save the product. Let that load. And once that's connected, we're then going to be inside of Etsy. You're going to want to make your title. Then you're going to want to upload your images like so. Add a description. We're going to want to put a price, right? That works. I can tell it to make, what's cool about this, I can tell it to make me a description using the saying, silly goose in heels. Write me an Etsy description for this product as a t-shirt. So now in seconds, I don't have to be a copywriter. ChatGPT will write all of this for me. So I can just take all of this by simply copy pasting, like so. Paste that into the description. Looks amazing. Add our quantity, 1 in stock, so it's scarcity, chose 1 left. Add the category, right? And then we can start listing it and making sales right away. Of course, you're going to want to add tags, right? Keywords like this are usually what work best, and then you're going to want to publish. Now, what's cool about this is all of this is possible because this tool makes it so easy, right? I can say, replace the text with silly goose in heels. And it will generate that for me. And I love it because it's so quick, and then I can easily just upload to Printify and start selling over and over again. I can put it on a poster. I can put it on a scented candle. That's why I highly recommend using Printify when it comes to anything with POD. The best combo for operating this business is using an AI tool, plus Printify. It's the best chances to quickly find trending niches like this and leverage Printify to sell physical products immediately, right? As you can see, I have a nice design here. I can customize it to my liking, and then I can post and start selling. So that's pretty much it. It's that simple to get up and going with Printify. So if you're interested to get started, all you have to do, link in bio, sign up to Printify, and I'll link the other tools, and you can start this business very quickly. And I'll see you in the next video.